We had such a great time at our 2018 meetup, and I am so grateful to have made such wonderful friends, meet old friends out there, and make new friends. It was just lovely, and Robert and I are so grateful. And for a couple of days I'm hanging out with my friend Gina afterwards and getting some solitude and enjoying places like the water and just continued camaraderie until I go into solitude for about a week or two. So we're out today touring Craggy Wash and having such fun. Gina and Mr. Ernie, and Robert is riding shotgun sort of back there in the back on the bed.
Reminds me of my old ambulance days.
Yeah, I bet that's right. It's about as bumpy probably too as some of those rides were. Anyway, we're having a blast and thought we'd show you some of the beautiful scenery we're seeing.
Gorgeous.
So Gina and I came by Little Caesars to get Robert a pizza to take back to camp. And right next door, I had forgotten about this place, is a Heather's Ice and Water. And it's also now a thrifty ice cream store. But you can go in there and get your bottles sterilized before you fill them up. And you can also get them filled on the outside if you don't need to go in and have them sterilized. So you can fill them up outside or inside, and or get them sterilized and get ice cream and shakes and all kinds of stuff. Oh, and also they have empty bottles for sale of all kinds, shapes and sizes. So if you need some water containers in a specific area for your rig and are having trouble finding them, they might have them here. And I will put that information in the video description. And life is good. Thank you all for being here, and we'll see you down the road, everybody.